We are watching the latest on the tropics. We've got two areas to watch here, really one that we're concerned with. That's the one on top of us with this area of low pressure developing through the Bahamas, but now moving into Florida. There is also Tropical Storm Ian. This thing will stay out to sea. It will continue to develop a little bit, but we're not concerned with it. Here's what we will watch. The rain that moves onshore here will continue to stick around for a good bit of the week. You can see that spiraling action here as this low is moving on land, really centered over southern Brevard County. But here is parts of Palm Coast in Flagler County, Flagler Beach, on down to northern sections of Volusia County. We're seeing up to about an inch an hour of rain coming down where you're seeing some of this orange here. That's going to continue, but the heaviest of the rain right here on top of Geneva and just over to eastern sides of Geneva. There's Lake Harney Woods Boulevard getting soaked right now with more than an inch, close to 2 inches of rain an hour in that isolated spot where you see the red. More of this comes in waves for Kennedy Space Center back inland on down to Rockledge and then down into southern Brevard County. You can see that spin. This is the center of that area of low pressure moving on through just to the north of Palm Bay now with some stronger wind gusts. We could see gusts up near 40 miles an hour for the next couple of hours as this moves onshore. You see a little bit of lightning out to sea, so later today we could see more lightning and more of those heavy downpours. Look at all this rain just off the coast of Miami. All of that will be spiraling in our direction through the day today and more so tomorrow, so we'll watch it for the next couple of days. We're at 77 in Orlando right now, 73 in Ocala, 76 in Daytona Beach. Here's a look at the Pinpoint Accurate forecast.
Your forecast brought to you by Del Air Heating and Air Conditioning.
And we take you hour by hour. We're up to 86 at noon, 88 degrees at 4 o'clock. The average high is 90, so we're a couple of degrees below that because of all the clouds in place and that 80% coverage of rain through the afternoon. Even through tonight, if you're making some plans, rain chances at 50% with a temperature in the mid-70s. There's that spiraling action as we take you into the future here by 3 in the afternoon. More of that right on top of Orlando and much of central Florida as that moisture streams in, and that will continue to move to the north into northern zones north of Marion County for Ocala by 2 in the morning tomorrow. Now here are the rain totals. We could see more than 5 inches along the coast, near 7 inches in New Smyrna Beach before tomorrow is said and done, and then more of it continues to build in through the next couple of days. 70% rain chances Wednesday, 60% on your Thursday and your Friday.